So here's a growl of a 3-port siren. I've made a couple changes since last time. So I flipped the motor around so that it's running in reverse. And even though it's reverse wired, it's actually more efficient running backwards. So I'm just going to leave it like this because it makes it louder and it can move more air. I've also rebalanced the rotor a little bit. I've moved some of the washers around to minimize a little bit more vibration. And I don't want to screw around with it anymore because I think it's as close to perfect as I can get and I don't want to screw it up. And then I have the intake blocked for noise reasons, so here we go. I would watch this. Pretty awesome. This thing is going to absolutely roar on New Year's.